Let's move towards our next topic, which is volume and surface area of cones. Here is the shape of the cone. First of all, here we have the types of cones. A cone is a solid in which the base is bounded by a simple closed curve and the curved surface tapers into a point called the apex, which is opposite to the base. If the base is circular, the cone is known as circular cone. Here is your example of circular cone. This is the base is a circular and this point is called apex. This is called elliptical base. This base is not circular, so this is your apex and this is another cone. The next is the perpendicular height of the cone is the perpendicular distance from the apex to the base of the cone. The slant height of a right circular cone is the distance from the apex to the circumference of the base. Here we have, this is your slant height and this is center point is your height. These two differences we have already learned about in the previous questions, but again revise it. Height is in the center and your slant height is the this side height, okay, you can say. And from center to the end of the circumference, it is called your base radius. Simply radius is the from center of the circle to the circumference, so it is your base of the cone, so it is called base radius. This is a introduction, you must say, of the figure of the shape cone. Here we have the formula of volume of cones. This is your revision again. Volume of cylinder. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder. Okay. Here we have our formula for the volume of cone, which is 1/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by r square multiplied by h, which is 1/3 multiplied by base area multiplied by height. So you can remember it, 1/3 pi r square h, where r is the base radius and h is the height of the cone. As the base area of a cone is circular, so we know the area formula of circle is pi r square, so here it is pi r square because of the area formula. In many ways, a cone is like a pyramid. However, a cone is not a pyramid because the base of a pyramid must be a polygon, but the base of a cone is a circle. So here is a difference between pyramid and a cone. Although a regular polygon can become a circle if its number of sides is increased indefinitely. A polygon must have a finite number of sides, and so a circle is not a polygon. Okay ji, they are saying if you increase the number of sides of a regular polygon. For example, here we have in the previous page, you can see here we have a shape, this D shape, A, B, C and D. A is, you can see, is a pentagon because it has 1 2 3 4 5 sides, and this is a hexagon. It's a regular shape, it's a regular shape. When we increase the number of sides, look, I have divided it, and in this figure it looks like more closely to a circle. How? Because we have increased the number of sides in this figure. So you can say that a regular polygon can become circle if its number of sides is increased indefinitely. Indefinitely means no ending point, and you have to draw more lines. And then a polygon must have a finite number of sides. So a circle is not a polygon. So here we have a little difference between pyramid and a cone, which is their base. Next, moving towards our next topic, which is surface area of cones. Okay ji, so for the surface area of cone, You can see this is your base radius, and when you open this shape it would like this. Okay, by folding it in this way. Here I have a rectangular piece of paper, but if I fold also this, you can see here we get the shape of the cone by cutting this side somehow. So this is that they are saying when you open up this it will become this. Okay, so here is our formula for the curved surface area of cone, which is pi r l. Okay ji. And for the total surface area, you know you have to add the base area plus the curved surface area. Curved surface area is equals to pi r l plus base area is equals to pi r square. You have to add both these areas, this upper side and this lower side, and you will get the total surface area of the cone. This is your formula. So here is our exercise 12b, which you have to solve. Find the volume of each of the following cones. Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Put this formula in the corresponding diagrams and questions and you will get your answer. The next is this part is here we have given the circumference of the base. You know the circumference is equals to 2 pi r, and from here you can find out the value of r radius, and then you will put it in the volume formula here, which is r and h. R you can find out from here, and h is given 28 millimeter. The next is question number 2, the volume of a cone with a circular base of radius. Okay ji, let's move towards our question number 2. Here in the question number 2, the volume of a cone with a circular base of radius 8 centimeter is 320 pi centimeter cube. Find its height. The volume is given and we have to find out the height. So let's start this question. Volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is your question number 2. We are given with the radius. Radius is equals to 8 centimeter and volume is equals to 320 pi centimeter cube. We have to find out the height. So V is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is given. Put 320 here. Pi is equals to 1 by 3 pi r radius square 8 square h, which is unknown. Pi cut with this pi. 3 is dividing. When it goes to other side, it will be multiplying. 8 square 64h. 960 divided by 64 is equals to h. So when you divide, you will get the answer h. Okay. So here we have our answer. Height is 15 centimeter. I hope so you will understand. Do the questions up to question number 5. These all are same or similar. You can do all these questions. Okay. Question number 5 you can do. You can also do 6, 7 and 8. Let's do another question for you. I am doing another question. Let's have a look at question number 7, in which we have given with a cone has a circular base of radius. Radius is equals to 15 centimeter. Given that the total surface area of the cone. Okay, the total surface area is again given. You have to find out, I must say you have to keep in mind total surface area is equals to 1000 centimeter square. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the slant height. So here is our question. You can represent it by L or H, it's up to you. Okay ji, for the total surface area, you know the formula. Total surface area is equals to 1000 and total surface area formula is pi r L curved surface area plus pi r square base area. Okay, you have to add both these areas, which is equal to 1000. Pi is pi, r is 15 given, L is basically the slant height which you have to find out, plus pi again, r square, r is again 15 square, is equals to 1000. Now solve it. Here we see 15 pi is common, take it common. Here becomes L plus 15, okay, which is equals to 1000. L plus 15, keep it here, and 1000. 15 pi is multiplying here. When it comes to other side, it will be in the divided form. Now you have to find out L. It becomes 1000 divided by 15 pi minus 15, and you will get your answer L. Now give me some time for the calculations. So here we have our question, and this is your answer. We have find out the slant height. Okay. These are the formulas for your topic related to the cone, volume of the cone and surface area of cone. Write it in the introduction page, so you will keep it in mind and you find it easy when you have to learn it. Okay, thank you. That's it.